Assalamu alaikum children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. As you can see the picture over there. See here. Picture reading and writing. Observe the picture and see what things you can see. See, observe this picture children. Picture reading and writing. So see here, look at each and everything in the picture, observe it, and after observing we have to write what things we can see. Look at the picture, find the I words, write them. See here, we have to see the picture and then we have to find I sound words, and then I sound words we have to write over here. Can you see this given space here? In this given place we have to write I sound words. So let us see and find out what things we can see with the word I. See here, what is this? This is a kid. This is a picture. This is also a picture. This is woman. This is table. This is a girl. Girl sitting in the mud. She is digging here. The boy hiding here. And on the table you can find pins there. And this woman holding something in her hand. So observe this picture, and after observing we can find I sound words. So see here, what is this picture? This is tin. What is this? Tin. So we find one word. So write over here T I N, tin. Okay children, now observe and tell me what more things you can find. You can see this dig. What is the girl doing here? Dig. She is digging in the mud. So dig. One more word we found. See, D I G, dig. Now see, more we have to search. Now see here, what is this? On the table, observe, on the table there are pins. On the table there are pins. So write pin. P I N, pin. You can see children, in every word you can find I sound, I word, I letter. After this, now find more things. See, what is this? This is a kid. This is a kid. He is a kid. So here we have to write K I D, kid. Now after this, more we have to search. 1, 2, 3. More 3 we want. What things we can find? See, this boy is hiding here. So hid. H I D, hid. H I D, hid. Okay, more 2 we want. Now what more we can find here? See, oh my god, see this, the baby kid is wearing bib. The baby kid is wearing bib. So right here B I B, bib. All these words are with the letter I sound. See, all these words are with the letter I. So after this, one more blank is there. We have to find one more word. So let's see what word we can find. Oh my god, see this woman. This woman is holding something in her hand. And what is that? That is zib. That is zib. Z I P, zip. So how many words we found children? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's one more time we'll read this. Okay. Tin, tin. This is tin. Dig, dig. The girl is digging here. Pin, pin. You can find pins over here. And kid, kid. You can see the kid here. Hid, hid. The boy is here. B-I-B, bib. See, the baby kid is wearing bib. Z-I-P, zip. The woman is holding zip in her hand. So, hope you all understand this, children, and do this homework as well. Thank you all.